Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Viral. Today we are going to learn how to insert image in Excel. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. You can see here my data is here, and in thumbnail I have inserted two pictures. So how can we insert it? So I have this blank shell and here I want to insert picture. So how can we do it? We will simply go to this insert tab, and here is illustrations. You can click here and see pictures. So here I will click here picture, and then which picture I want to insert. So for now I want to insert this, suppose this picture. Then I will choose this picture and hit insert, and here this size is very large, so I will reduce the size of this image and then I will keep it here. So I will arrange this line and keep it done. So same way I will insert another picture. For this I will go to illustration, picture, and for this suppose I will insert this one, and the same way I will reduce the size and I will show you here. Suppose this is my picture. Now it's done, but when I hide this number 2 cells, right click and hide it, you will see my image is not hidden. So I want to hide the image if the row also hidden. So I will first of all unhide it and go to this picture and click the picture, and then I will hit here, go to picture and hit here format picture, and in format picture you will see here this size and properties. I will go here and in properties you will see the 3 size, properties, text box. I will go to properties and here I will select move and size with cells. I will click this and done. Now I will come here, and if I hide this, sorry, not this image, this is, if I hide this, now you can see my selected picture is also hidden. So for now if I want to hide this also, then I will go to the same format picture here and move and size with cells and hit OK. Now if I hide either this or that, hide, this is, now it's working fine. So in the same way if I want to hide also this, then hide, and this, my picture is also hidden. So in this way you can insert and you can hide or unhide it, the picture as well as the rows. So this is the quick simple number 27 video, and we are in series Excel for beginner. And if you haven't watched this from number 1, you can watch it from this playlist, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.